Okay, cowboy. Yeah, be very careful. It's very slippery. All right. Get these cowboys, these lawmen to the bunkhouse. Can you open it? Wow. Here, I'm going to show this. This is just crazy. This is like 3 years ago. Okay, we're going to go in the bunkhouse.
Maybe getting cold in the winter. Snow.
Oh. Whose bunkhouse is this? It looks like it's Sheriff Seamus's and Deputy Donovan's. Look at all those wanted posters. Yeah. Okay. Well, unfortunately, we don't have all this finished yet, but we can go inside here. There you go. Okay. Come on in. Dave's got more plywood to put up. And got to put the bunks in. But at least look at this. It's all dry. This is fantastic. Can't believe it's all dry in here. Yeah. Don't rip the paper, okay? Daddy has to put that up yet. Daddy has to finish the ceiling here. But I'm not seeing any wet spots. Which is just awesome. Daddy Construction, high quality. What you do with that deer?
Coat.
Can you put that deer on you?
I need a coat.
Okay, put that deer on you.
Also, my coat getting too snowy.
What are you doing there,
So high.
cowboy?
Coat.
You can put that on you. Oh, it smells like red cedar in here.
Is it the deer
Big
coat?
That is, there you go. Here, let me help you. Right like that. There you go. That's good. You know what? I might sew one for you. That is sewing for you. That looks good on you. Looks very manly. There you go.
I have a deer coat.
You do have a deer coat.
Look, Donovan, I have a deer coat.
You do.
We got to close the door before.
All right, there's the Code of the West. Do you read the Code of the West? Can you read that, Seamus? What does it say?
I can.
Read it. Read it
Each
to Grandma.
day with courage.
Yeah.
Take pride in your work. Always finish what you start.
Yeah, those are good things to know. What else?
Do what has to be done.
What else?
What does that say?
Be tough. Be tough but fair.
Be tough but fair.
What else does it say?
It's when
You
you're
make a promise, keep it. Ride for the brand.
when you make a promise, keep it.
Ride for the brand. Talk less, say more.
Ride for the brand.
Remember that some.
Talk less and say more.
Yeah, remember that some things aren't for sale.
Something. Or remember that some things aren't for sale.
What's the last one?
Remember
Nowhere.
know where to draw the line.
That's right. The cowboy coat. All right, look out. Donovan, deputy, I gotta get by here. Oh. Grandma, I am so happy through a hard rain, whole day of hard rain, and a whole day hard snow. It's perfectly dry inside. Oh, look at more help wanted signs. And look at this. U.S. Marshal Ron Daddy Graham. Woohoo! He's the big boss on this ranch. What do you think, Donovan? Look at that. This is purty, as the cowboys say. Very purty. Cold and purty. Seamus, you still want to wear that, don't you?